For this video, our kitchen maths is going to focus on measuring liquids. Right, so here are all of my containers. I'm going to fill this with water. Now, when I'm filling something with water, what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at this scale. So this side is in ounces, which we don't really need to know about anymore. Because we're going to look at this one, which is litres and millilitres, and I'm going to fill this up to 1 litre mark, which should be that line there. I've got 1 litre of water. If we have a look in this, see the measurements on the inside? So this is going from 0 right down at the bottom in the inside there, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.9. So that should also be 1 litre. All right, so we're going to test it. Is this litre jug? I've actually got more than a litre in there, haven't I? Let's see if it fits into this jug. Woo! Oh, now I think I had more than a litre in my jug. So I've still got some there, and I've spilled some on the table. There we go. Okay. So, if this is a litre, I wonder how much this is. Is this going to be more or less than 1 litre? This is a milk bottle. So, try not to make a mess. I'm going to use a funnel. Ooh. So, I've still got quite a bit of water left in there. That's definitely less than a litre. Look at that. Fab. Now, I wonder if I put this one back in here. If we could measure how much water goes in this one. So, this one hasn't got any markings on it. So I'm going to pour some water in all the way to the top, like that. And then I'm going to use this jug that we had earlier to find out how much water can this little cake thing hold. Go. See if we can read it out. It's about 300. I'm going to put it on the table to read it so that it's flat. Got just less than 300 millilitres in there, so just less than 300 millilitres. And you could do the same with lots of different containers, all right? Have a look around your kitchen and see if you can find any math.